Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna install the shopping cart via Google Sheets using bcommute.com service. The shopping cart is installed in just a few simple clicks. Just go to bcommute.com templates and let's click install. Here you can choose your Google account. If you don't have one connected, just click this button and connect the new one, the Manychat account. Again, if you don't have it connected, just click this button and add the access token here, create the name. So that's pretty much it. And just click agree and install. It will load all the necessary configs to your bcommute account, and as well it will create the spreadsheet, the sample spreadsheet in your Google account. So once it's said that it was installed successfully, you'll see the links for your dynamic content requests in Manychat. So let's check out the Google Sheets. Just go to your account and you will see the brand new spreadsheet created called basic cart template. It includes two sheets, the catalog sample, just a sample, you can use any of your own spreadsheets, and a shopping cart sheet that is obviously empty right now. So let's get back to the settings and let's install the Manychat template. This screen is pretty much familiar for you, so click install and follow all the steps. So once you install the Manychat template, it will look like this, super simple. This dynamic content node will show you the product gallery cards with gallery cards with products. This one will show you the cart. Here is a user input, saving the search word. We're looking up the catalog spreadsheet for the food type. This one will be looked up for the food type here. As you can see, meat, soup, pizza, all of them are here. And another node, checkout, which will give you the total price, and from here you can go to and set up any other checkout steps the way that is convenient for you. So let's finish this setup. Just go to dynamic content request settings window and copy the links from here. Just paste it here and save for the catalog and for the cart. Copy another one, just paste it here, save, and that's pretty much it. Now let's click publish and preview. Okay, so let's say we're choosing soup. Boom, we have all the soups from this Google Sheet. As you can see, I have like 14 different soups. Since it's impossible to place more than 10 carts, there's a view more button over here. So now let's just switch to our cart sheet and try to add something in our messenger. So let's say we click add to cart, and now boom, what do we see here? We have the message that soup number 7 with this price was added to your cart, and here in your spreadsheets you can see the cart for this particular user, this ID, the item name, description, quantity, price, total, date of order. This is the picture URL for the gallery card required, and here you can see the chat URL actually, that you can go directly to the live chat with your subscriber. So let's say we want to add another one, 8. Let's click add to cart. Boom, as you can see, we already have it here, already added, and the total price is already calculated. If we decide to add another one, the same soup here, so let's click add to cart again for the same item name, and it will just add quantity. Okay, let's click view cart. It will go to this spreadsheet and show all the items related to this subscriber. As you can see, we have 2 soup 7 here and 1 soup 8. Here we have the total price as well, which is pretty much the same. So if we want to remove something, let's say we have 2 items, same items in the cart, we just click remove from cart, and we will get the confirmation message asking how many items we want to add. The cool thing is that it's not about the quick replies. Also type in how many items you want to remove from cart, click send, and as you can see, the reply was accepted and 1 soup was deleted from the cart. So now when you click view cart, you will see just 1 soup number 7. The total price was changed, and there's the follow-up message, as you can see, with the buttons to clear cart, back to shopping, which will take you to the starting step. Checkout button will take you to this message that you can configure the way you like. So let's clear cart. As you can see, everything was deleted, your cart was cleared. That's it. In the cart sheet, each subscriber has its own cart. So if I add something from a different account in Messenger to cart as a different user, the new cart for a new user will appear, and all the items that this particular subscriber is adding will go to those subscribers' cart only. So let's say I want to add something from the Messenger account that I used before, from the first cart. So when I choose something, let's say it will be pizza, and I add it to the cart, it will be added to the first cart that you can see here in this example. As you can see, total prices are calculated and they are passed to the custom field. Let's click view cart. Let's see the cart, and if we click checkout, it will take us to this message where, as you can see, there's a custom field with the total price, and the total price is saved from the Google Sheets to that custom field. And that's how, in a few simple clicks at becommute.com, you can add this cool Google Sheets card to your chatbot.